Smart Money Nation, welcome back to the channel. I am still continuing our video segments on how to fully protect your brand new business. We talked about many ways to do so. If you've been following the channel, you already know we've talked about how to set up a Wyoming LLC, how to set up an LLC within your state. We talked about how to put together operations agreement, how to get your EIN number. We talked about the corporate veil. We talked about charging orders. We talked about many things to fully, not only fully set up your business the proper way, but to get the full protection that you can get for your business and for yourself. So this is another video on protecting yourself and your business. Okay, so before we get started, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button for me if you are not subscribed, so you can know anytime I drop some of these videos like this. If you already subscribed, ring that notification bell. It lets you know when I drop a video or when I go live. And as always, if you like the content, please hit the like button, share it with somebody that you value. Let's get started. I have set up a nice presentation for you guys as always. Today we're going to talk about the other means of asset protection planning. Okay, the other means and tools you can use to protect yourself and your business from creditors that are, in case of a lawsuit or anything of that nature. What are the other things that you can use to protect yourself and your business? One of them, and you can use this in combination of the corporate veil and also the charging order protection that we talked about in other videos. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and hit the how-to playlist on my YouTube channel and you'll get those videos. Those are very important. I think everybody setting up a business should definitely check those videos out and protect yourself and your business. The other tools of protection you can use is insurance. Okay, this is something also not talked about much when you are setting up your business, is having insurance, right? Insurance can cover both personal liabilities and business obligations, right? So you want to make sure you have general liability insurance. Look into some of the different insurance products that are out there to protect you from liabilities that is incurred by your business, or liabilities you incur as yourself as a person. So make sure you have some of these insurances and look into some of those insurances. It's a great choice. It's also another great choice for asset protection of yourself and your business. So that's one that's pretty much overlooked a lot. Another one is a trust, right? But not just any trust, but an irrevocable trust. I don't know what just happened, but an irrevocable trust is another great way to kind of protect yourself and your business. This is very similar to why I said get a Wyoming LLC. It's similar to the charging order protection. Okay, so this is what happens is that it's considered a legal separate entity, and how the trust must be irrevocable. Of course, we talked about that. And in the trust, the assets that are transferred to the trust. So your assets and businesses are transferred to the trust, and as the owner of the trust, you no longer own that property within the trust. The trust owns that property now. And what happens is that creditors have a harder time accessing anything that's within that trust because it's not yours. You don't own it. But like anything else, they can get any income that comes out of that trust that comes to you, and this includes any distribution payments, anything like that. So if something in that trust is sold and the payments coming to you, they can get that, and any like income coming out of that trust, they can get that. But outside of that, they can't touch what's in that trust because it's not yours. It belongs to the trust. So that's another one to take in consideration. And then exempt assets. I didn't know about this. I recently found out about this. So according to the article I read, most states have a list of exempt assets. These assets are those that creditors cannot legally take. They often include things like your home, retirement account, personal items, and what you want to do is find out what are some of these exempt assets in your state, or the state that you have formed your company at, and put money into those assets. Okay, so if they cannot touch a retirement account, try to put more money in that retirement account. So these are 3 other ways that you can use to protect your assets, to protect your business, and to protect yourself in case of the worst. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions about this, please make sure you put it in the comments below. I'm happy to answer it, and I would love your feedback. Let's catch up on the next video in this segment here. Like I said, I've done many videos on how to properly form your company, how to make sure you have the highest level of protection for your company and for yourself in this playlist, the how-to playlist. Check it out. Go to my YouTube channel, click on playlist, and go to the how-to playlist. If you're not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button, like the video, share the video if you found it valuable, and I will catch you guys on another video. Peace.